Dennis Doc Hallada. Born in Hancock, Michigan in 1947, Doc's family moved to Minnesota in 1951, where he attended and graduated from Aurora Hoyt Lakes High School in 1965. In 1966, Doc was drafted into the United States Army and passed the Army Flight Aptitude Test. He was commissioned as a second lieutenant and completed helicopter pilot flight training. Assigned to Vietnam as a UH-1 helicopter pilot, Doc completed more than 3,000 sorties and 1,583 combat flight hours. On October 16, 1966, he was awarded the U.S. Army Broken Wing Award for safely landing an AH-1F Cobra gunship after experiencing engine failure over mountainous terrain at night on a busy freeway. During his 18 months of service in Vietnam, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, the Bronze Star, and 30 air medals, one being for valor. While in Vietnam as a helicopter pilot, he had performed as aircraft commander, flight platoon leader, and was promoted to captain. Upon returning from Vietnam, Doc was assigned to Fort Walters, Texas, as a helicopter flight instructor. In 1973, he was discharged from the U.S. Army and joined the Michigan Army National Guard, where he served as a full-time instructor pilot for UH-1 and AH-4 helicopters. Doc retired from Army aviation in 1999, having flown more than 12,500 hours. For his contributions to military aviation for the state of Michigan and the United States of America, Dennis Doc Hallada is enshrined in the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.